Rookies, today we're going to get into some jQuery, and basically what we're going to try to do, let me go to the site. We're going to try to make this hide or disappear after a certain amount of time. So let's go ahead and start. So I do have my h1 with welcome. First, go into your CSS, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a class. I'm just going to name it hidden. It's pretty self-explanatory of what it's going to do. And we're going to do a display none. Then go into your script.js. And first thing I always like to do is, just to make it easier for me to read and see, is declare the variable h1 as h1. Now you'll be able to use that in replace of this. And we're going to do a setTimeout, parentheses. We're going to do a function, anonymous function, parentheses, space, curly brace, return. And before we do anything inside, right here, put a comma, and then you're going to choose how long do you want to wait before it disappears or hides. I'm just going to do 2 seconds. Now this goes from in counts of milliseconds, so 2000 milliseconds is equal to 2 seconds, right? So of course, if you want it shorter, you can do 1 second. You can even do half a second by doing 500 milliseconds. But anyways, let's just do two seconds. Now inside the actual function, what you do is you'll call that variable h1 dot add class, parentheses, quote, and whatever you name that right here, hidden. So let's just copy. Safe thing to do is always just to copy paste it, just in case you make any typos. Semicolon, save, and let's go and see. Refresh. 1, 2, bap, boop, it's gone. And that's it. That's how you do. That's how you make things hide. Now, what about the reverse? What if it's hidden, and after a certain time you want it to pop up? So what you do for that actually is going back to your style. So you'll have your hidden class, and you'll class this up. Class equals hidden. So now what's going to happen is it's going to stay hidden. I'm refreshing. It's gone. So a couple ways you can do this. I feel like maybe the easiest way is you do your variable, set timeout, function, h1 or whatever you named your variable, and this time let's remove class of hidden, and refresh. 1, 2, pop, there it goes. It appears like magic. And yeah, you can do this with any time frame. You don't have to do this with just hidden and appear. You can do this with, maybe it changes color after a certain time. Maybe it gets bigger after a certain time. Let's just go ahead and try that, just for fun. We're done with the hide and appear tutorial, by the way, so if you want to stop now, you can. How much time do I have on this? Oh yeah. Let's just try something fun. I haven't actually tried this. Sorry. So let's say bigger. Let's make this bigger. Font size. Let's do 6 EM. That's huge. And what we'll do is we're going to go ahead. Let's go ahead and just copy paste this. So it's going to appear, and then we're going to add the class of bigger, and let's do that after 2 more seconds. So 4,000. So after 2 seconds, it'll appear. After 2 more seconds, it should get bigger. Let's hope. And I haven't actually tried this. Let's see. 1, 2, it appears. 1, 2, gets bigger. Nice. Look at that. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do that, how you work with jQuery to with set timeout in particular. And the most common is to make it appear, disappear, and then all other kind of changes you can do. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you on the flip side.